Hey Mika, how fast can we complete an oil change?
It takes us about 30 minutes. Not only do we do your oil change, but we also conduct a 30-point inspection because we want to visually look over the car and let you know if there's anything that's wrong that you might want to take care of it.
Hey Jeremy, how fast can we complete an oil change?
Uh, that's actually a very difficult but very good question. So, if it's just an oil change itself, like your run of the mill deal, 15, 20 minutes, give or take. If you're trying to be more particular on the manufacturer, it can take anywhere from 25 minutes to an hour and 15 minutes.